Alright guys, first to ride out of the mothballs for the Engwe. It's been sitting for a while, so we're just going to take it for a quick spin. I'm thinking about picking up another battery for this because this thing has a really good range. So I'm thinking about picking up another battery so I could take it for a real long ride on the trail. So yeah, let's just see if it's still working good. Now this scooter here is, not scooter, but bike, is basically a throttle only type machine, because pedaling this thing is just, it doesn't do anything, you know. It does nothing. It goes what, 19, 20 miles an hour. So if you're on a hill or something, that pedaling, it might do something. But for the most part, it doesn't do anything. Pedaling this thing is a waste of time. But it does run nice, man. It runs really good. Now, if I completely turn off the throttle and pedal it, it doesn't do anything either. It's like, yeah. I guess it has this pedal assist, and then it automatically just kicks off. But it doesn't, it's just hard to describe it. It doesn't bring you up to where you can pedal and the bike is causing to have it to some inertia. It's just pedaling, you're just like pedaling air with this thing. Nothing is happening. And then when it does bite in there, it'll start to go, and then it's like pedaling air again. So it is not a good bike for pedaling at all. It's basically a throttle only type deal. I don't even know why they put pedals on here. Okay, so let me see here. I'm pretty sure it's testing last year with the speed. Yeah, it goes fast. It's real nice. It's way faster than the Jetson or the fake Jetson. This thing was just now doing 20. The Anchier, bonsoir. Yeah, it's faster than those, no doubt. 21, 23. Oh yeah, it's zooming, man. Wow. Yeah, this thing's a lot faster than those suckers, no doubt. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking about getting another battery for this. This is the bike I took downtown to McKeesport when I was downtown McKeesport, was this thing. Let me see if I can turn the camera. I definitely need to adjust these brakes, that's for dang sure. Let's see if I can turn this up a little bit. I wonder if that would be visible. I'll just tilt the camera down a little bit. That should be able to pick that up. Okay, so we'll drive around here for a little bit with the camera tilted down, so that should pick that up. What speed I'm going. Yeah, this thing rides a lot nicer too because it's got the suspension, it's got the shocks, you know, so that's a big plus for this thing. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking about picking up a battery, another battery for this, because this is a great running scooter here, or bike. I call it a scooter because you can't pedal it. It's just force of habit. This has a 400-watt motor. If nobody remembers from my shows last year. Engwe! It's very nimble, very agile bike. But like I said, it's not for pedaling. Yeah, these brakes definitely need some work. There's basically nothing on the back, and the front has hardly anything either. So, yeah, it's sitting. It's been affecting the brakes, the sitting. All right, guys, I'm gonna head back home. I just wanted to take it out for a quick test ride. Make sure everything was okay. It needs work. I gotta get these brakes tightened up. No doubt. Better watch my speed going down this hill because there ain't no stopping this thing. Let me get this thing out to the patio where I can adjust the brakes. Then we'll get it ready for the trail. All right, guys, have a nice day.
That's all, folks.